Stop losing easy marks in WASSCE English. What if I told you that Lexis and Structure alone can determine whether you pass or fail English language? Yes, this section is where top students separate themselves from the rest. In this video, I will show you exactly how to answer WASSCE English Objective Questions using real exam-style questions taken from WASSCE 2024 with clear answers and explanations. By the end of this video, you will start seeing these questions differently and you will start answering these questions correctly with confidence. This is English Classes Online and I am your host Benjamin. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Opposite in meaning, antonyms in contexts. Instruction. In each of the following sentences, there is a word underlined and one gap. From the list of words lettered A to D, choose the word that is nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word and that will at the same time correctly fill the gap in the sentence. Question 1. The principal was hostile, but his assistant was quite dash. Dash here is a blank space, and you need to pick from option A to D to fill that gap. Option A, aggressive, B, friendly, C, rude, D, strict. The correct answer is friendly. Why? Because hostile means unfriendly, which is the opposite of friendly. A and C are similar in negativity, but they are incorrect. D is unrelated. Question 2. The river is very shallow here, but becomes dash further ahead. A, narrow, B, deep, C, dry, D, wide. The correct answer is B, deep, because opposite of shallow is deep. A and D refer to width, not depth. C is unrelated. Question 3. His explanation was confusing, but the teacher's was very dash. A, difficult, B, clear, C, long, D, boring. Correct answer is B, which is clear, because the opposite of confusing is clear. Section 2. Nearest in meaning, synonyms. Instruction. In each of the following sentences, there is a word underlined. From the list of words lettered A to D, choose the word that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Question A. She gave a brief explanation of the topic. The word underlined is brief. Take note that you are looking for the synonym this time, not the antonym. You are looking for the word nearest in meaning, not the opposite. So what is the synonym of brief? Option A, short, B, detailed, C, unclear, and D, quick. The correct answer is A, short, because brief means short. Question 5. The man was generous to the poor. The word underlined is generous. Option A, kind, B, greedy, C, selfish, and D, careless. The correct answer is A, which is kind, because generous means giving or kind. Question 6. The results were accurate. The word underlined is accurate. Option A, correct. B, false. C, confusing. D, incomplete. The correct answer is A, which is correct, because accurate means correct. Section 3. Grammatical structure. Fill in the gap. Instruction. Choose from the options A to D the word or group of words that best completes each sentence. Question 7. If I had known I dash earlier, that is, I blank space earlier. Option A will come. So you have to fit in each word or group of words to know if it best completes it. Can you say, if I had known I will come earlier? Of course, it doesn't make sense. B would come. C would have come. D came. The correct answer is C, would have come. Now, listen to the complete sentence. If I had known, I would have come earlier. That is correct. Now, this sentence is a third conditional structure. So only option C can fit correctly. Question 8. She dash in this school since 2020. A, teaches. B, taught. C, has taught. D, teaching. Now, the correct answer is C, which is has taught. Once you have since in a sentence, it requires the present perfect tense, which is what C is about, has taught. She has taught in this school since 2020. Question 9. The boys dash playing football when it started to rain. A, is. B, was. C, where. D, B. The correct answer is C, where. The boys were playing football when it started to rain. The reason for this choice is that boys is plural and the verb must be also plural, which is were. Don't forget that is first a past tense, and then it also has the verb has to be plural to agree with the plural subject. This brings us to section 4, which is error identification. Instruction. Choose the option that best replaces the underlined part of the sentence. Question 10. Each of the players have received a prize. A, has received. B, had received. C, received. D, receiving. The correct answer is A, has received. And the reason is that each is a singular subject and should take a singular verb. So the error there is that when you say each of the players have received, you are then using a plural verb with a singular subject. So you need to change have received to has received. That's the correct option. Question 11. He is one of the students who was punished. A, were punished. B, are punished. C, have punished. D, punishing. The correct answer is A, were punished, because students is a plural subject. Here we have the pronoun antecedent agreement. The students who, so when you look at the verb that should follow who, that verb should agree with the antecedent of who, which is the students. And the students is plural, so it should be were instead of was. So to take it the full sentence, he is one of the students who were punished. So option A is correct. Question 12. Neither the teacher nor the students was ready. Neither the teacher nor the students was ready. Now you can spot the error in was. So the correct answer is A, were ready. Neither the teacher nor the students were ready. And the verb here must agree with the nearest subject, which is students. This is what we call the law of proximity in the rule of concord. The verb that is nearest to the subject should agree with the subject. Now, this brings us to the quick overview. If you want to score high, you need to do the following. Read instructions carefully, don't rush. Focus on context, not just the words. Master basic grammar rules. This will be quite helpful. Eliminate wrong answers first. Practice consistently with past questions. Listen carefully. WASSCE English is not difficult. What makes it difficult is lack of strategy and practice. Now you have both. So the next time you see these questions, don't panic. Stay calm, apply the rules, and pick the correct answer with confidence. Your success in WASSCE starts with what you do today. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to English Classes Online because more powerful lessons are coming your way. And in the next video, we will go even deeper to make sure you are fully prepared to excel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.